What we do here is go back.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and today I'm showing you how to make spinach dip stuffed chicken. This recipe does not need a long introduction. It is so good if you like chicken, if you like cheese, if you like spinach dip.
If your loved one has been diagnosed with
Nope. This recipe is for you. It also happens to be low carb, keto friendly, so I promise you it's like good for the soul and like your health, all right? So let's just go ahead and get into it, okay? So I am going to start out with my filling by sauteing some onions and garlic and a few tablespoons of olive oil for a few minutes, like 3 minutes, before I add in a cup of spinach and some salt and pepper. If you've ever cooked spinach, you know this is going to whittle down in no time. And as soon as it does, we can go ahead and add this to our base, which is going to be some cream cheese. In goes our spinach and a few canned hearts of artichoke that I've roughly chopped. And of course, you want to season every step of the way. So in goes some salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper for some heat and added depth of flavor. In goes my mozzarella, Asiago, and provolone, some fresh parm, and my favorite cheese of all time, Fontina. It's so creamy, it's so flavorful, it's like the best on earth, I promise. Once that is fully stirred and incorporated, we can get started on our chicken. So I'm using chicken thighs. Normally when you see a stuffed chicken recipe, it's chicken breast because it has more surface area, but chicken thighs are so juicy and so tender. So what I'm going to do is butterfly the thickest part of my chicken thighs to create like a pocket. And I'm going to pound that out until I have like an even layer and a little bit more surface area to work with. And once I've pounded that out completely, I'm going to season with some salt and pepper, Cajun seasoning, garlic and onion powder, and some basil and oregano. And I'm going to flip this over to the side that I'm filling. And I'm going to keep this out really simple with just some salt and pepper and a little bit more garlic powder. And I'm going to stuff this as much as I can. It just depends on the size of your chicken thighs, but I was able to do like 3 or 4 tablespoons of my filling. And this tucks and rolls beautifully. Now you have these gorgeous seasoned little clouds of meat and cheese that I'm going to wrap and refrigerate. You absolutely don't have to, but I like to just let my cheese solidify a little bit so it doesn't come bursting out. And after a few minutes, I'm going to unwrap my little clouds of meat and place them onto a greased dish and throw them into the oven on 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. And while that is cooking, I want to make a little sauce. So I like to make extra filling so I can make sauce and add it to some pastas and vegetables later. So I'm bringing a few tablespoons of butter and heavy cream to a simmer before adding in my filling, which already has everything you need for a perfect sauce. So you should get this in no time. And now my chicken is done. Now you can totally just cut into this and serve this as is. It's perfectly good alone. But if I have the chance to douse something in the cheese sauce, I'm going to take it. And guys, this is one of my favorite ways to eat chicken. It's so rich without being too heavy. It's so flavorful, but it's also very light. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you do, try it out. Let me know how you love it. Until then, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.